So, the fireworks didn't really work, so now we're gonna burn Perry. So, yeah, we're gonna burn Perry instead of fireworks
wait.
since they didn't really...
He's wet, it's not gonna work.
Yeah, it is. It's a blowtorch.
Catch that one on fire first. The paint's drying it out. Legit. That didn't work either, so I guess.
Fire didn't work either. I'm gonna slowly catch it on fire.
Harry's on fire.
Just keep burning Perry.
Perry's on fire.
Oh my
No,
God,
just
you know
keep
what?
going. Just keep going. Just waste the whole thing.
Perry's on fire. Yes, Perry's on fire.
You're gonna burn him.
Woo!
Look at this. Oh, crap. No, put where there's wood. Yeah. Look at that.
Wow.
Put some gas on it.
Oh, he's actually doing it.
Okay, well, Perry is burnt a lot. Inside the truck is burnt because it caught on fire. His wheel, yeah. We're putting a bit of gas just to give it a small kick,
Oh my God.
right?
You're such a pyro, it's not even funny.
What's this? What? Can you explain this, Matt?
Lighter fluid.
Lighter fluid. Interesting.
Oh, we should do that thing. It's actually ready.
Light Perry. Oh yeah! Burn, baby, burn. This gunfire now.
Put more. Yeah.
Put it on. No, put it in the box. Oh crap.
There, is that good enough for you? Very
Burn, baby, burn.
good. Where'd you put the water? Over here.
More.
No, it's fine.
Here, no, just spray it on, dude. I dare you. Oh, this is a nice campfire.
Get really nice here. Perry, any last words?
All right, put a lot. Like this is the jackpot, Matt. Oh,
Oh, it melted the glue, dude.
this the jackpot. Woo! Whoa. Go Perry! Yeah, man, a lot. More. We're doing this for our friend, man. Let's do it. Let's do it. Woo! Yeah, buddy. How do you like this, Perry? Try to burn my truck.
Your truck's done.
Put some more wood. Start a little campfire. Oh yeah. Thought some more. That smells delicious.
Enough for you? Cool. Yeah.
Smells pretty bad. Start a little campfire.
Doing the honors.
No.
No. I don't want it to burn the ground.
Why would it burn the ground? Yeah, let's put some more, man. Now we're burning the trucks,
Lucas, this is also your truck. So.
And Lucas, yes, I'm gonna show you this, and it's pretty cool.
Perry is, I want to see the aftershock of that. Perry's dead, dude. Perry's completely gonna be gone. Just saying. This is what happens when your friend's a pyro.
Hey, dude. Can I do the honors with this liquid?
No, dude, there's enough. No.
No.
No,
Seriously.
dude.
Just
seriously.
do it.
Yeah, there's enough, dude. It's,
Oh, okay, look at
that's
this.
like a lot. There you go. Oh god, it's falling over.
Let's put some more wood.
Yo, Perry's still alive. What the heck?
Perry's still alive. Julia. So.
Do it.
No. Wait till the other part of my truck burns to death.
Perry's gone.
Yep, Perry's gone. Perry's
Goodbye.
melting. Sorry, Julia. Well. Step on it.
I'm stepping on fire. Kidding me?
Just put the rest.
No, it's gone, dude. There's no.
Yeah, just to take off the
I
heat,
want to
though.
see the aftershock of Perry the Platypus.
Okay. Another part.